Very special time, the 20th anniversary of Disney's Animal Kingdom. We wish you and your flock countless wonderful discoveries as you connect with the magic of nature. And now, get ready to enjoy Up, a great bird adventure, beginning in just a few minutes. Thank you.
Exploradores y amigos, nos alegra ver que su aventura los haya traído aquí durante esta ocasión tan especial. El 20º aniversario de Disney's Animal Kingdom. Les deseamos a ustedes y a sus bandadas innumerables descubrimientos maravillosos al conectar con la magia de la naturaleza. Y ahora, prepárense para disfrutar Up a Great Bird Adventure que comienza en tan solo unos minutos. Gracias.
Oh, Henry, you know the wilderness.
All right, explorers, if you hear my voice, clap once. If you hear my voice, explorers, clap twice. If you can hear my voice, I want y'all to touch your toes. Fortunately, I can't touch mine. Well, welcome everyone. We are going to start showing a few short moments here. Our friends Doug and Russell are wilderness explorers, and to make them feel welcome here in Anandapur, we're going to teach you all the wilderness explorers pledge. It goes like such, so follow along with me. Go ahead and take your hands and make a W. W stands for wilderness. And we're going to say the wilderness must be explored. So on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Wilderness must be explored. Perfect. Take our W, we're going to turn it around and give it some wings now. It's a bird. We're going to go caw, caw. Perfect. Last thing, we're going to take that cute cuddly bird, turn into some scary tiger paws. We're going to go roar. Perfect. Let's all point it together. So it's going to be the wilderness must be explored. Caw, caw, roar. So on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Wilderness must be explored. Caw, caw, roar. Great job, everyone. Give yourself a round of applause. Now, throughout today's performance, some of our audience members will be able to participate in the show. So those audience members might be able to. I'm going to teach you what you're going to have to do. So if you're on the aisle waiting here, you're going to be a part of our show. On say you can, if not, don't worry about it. No harm, no foul. Bird cut. You want to do just see that. Bird cut out. awkward. Our friend Marissa Veronica.
We showed up. So down.
All set, ready to go. This side of the theater, I did not forget about you. You are also going to help us take part in the show today.
Oh, okay.
So go ahead and stand on up, and you're going to face the explorer across the aisle, just like me. Am I going to be the only one again? I don't want to be this awkward. Now go ahead and face me. Go ahead and put your arms up like such if you're a tree in the forest. Alrighty. Now I mean a bird flying through, so watch out. Caw! Caw!
Great job, everybody. Now, if you're ready to join in during the show, the show will begin in just a few minutes.
You want to sit back? Simon, you can't sit there. All right.
And sound. All right, now everyone, let's all join in with Russell. An explorer is a friend to all, be it plants or a fish or a tiny mole. Join in. The wilderness must be explored. Caw, caw, roar.
Caw, caw, roar!
Shamash, give me some hand. Yes. That works too. Say, this has turned out to be quite a gathering of explorers today. I think everyone is here except for our other bird expert who dedicates his time to the study and care of the birds here. Everyone welcome my friend Scott.
Hello, everyone. Welcome and namaste. In my time here, I've learned to interpret the bird's natural behaviors to better understand them. And you can too. Have any of you ever had a great bird adventure before?
We did with our bird friend Kevin. Who is Kevin?
Oh, I do miss the bird named Kevin. Yes, I do.
You talk.
A talking dog with a bird friend.
Right, Kevin, does he talk like people too?
Oh, no. The bird named Kevin talks like a bird.
Oh, and by the way, Kevin is a girl.
She is baby birdies. Oh, yes, she does.
So what does Kevin look like? I'll show you. A wilderness explorer's always prepared. I have a picture. Oh, okay. Oh, my, a really big picture. You can keep it. Oh, for me, thank you, Russell. All right. Let's see.
Oh, so that's a Kevin bird.
Let's hang it up for everyone to see, shall we? Yep. Kevin has long legs.
She can run very fast.
Very fast. And she's colorful.
Loud and big.
I can see that. Sounds like you had an amazing adventure. We did. Kevin is the reason we love birds so much. That's great. Well, Kevin was just the beginning.
Hey, do you want to meet some more birds that call this place home?
I do. Wait, I need my camera. I must have left it behind. Come on, Doug. Your what? Oh, no. I have your camera. See, it's still here. Safe and sound. And they're gone.
It's okay. I'm sure they'll be back soon.
Okay, well, until they come back, who are we going to see today?
So I thought we'd start off today by showing off the excellent flying ability of birds. And so what better way to start than by talking about trumpet or hornbills. So these birds are found over in Africa. You see, they can maneuver and dart in and around trees just like that. Excellent little darters straight through, and they can even catch flying insects, their favorite treats, without losing speed.
I know. Would you all like to see how Miles flies in the wild, but up close and personal? Great. Okay, we are going to create a forest right now. So, if you're seated at the end of the row in our lower center section, go ahead and stand up. Yes, don't be shy. That's right. So first take a step into the aisle. There we go, and then arms high up. Fabulous, and hold it.
All right, this canopy is taking shape. Hey, Miles, check it out. Now, my canopy, just stay nice and still and respect our feathered friend. But watch closely. When he leaves my hand, he's pretty fast.
So much! Thank you all so much! Okay, now it's your turn. So just like that side, up you go.
No. Okay.
Now take a step into the aisle. Yes. Arms higher. Fabulous. And hold it.
All right, let's see if we can get Miles to fly back home. Stay nice and still, just like the other side. And let's see if Miles can show off that flying ability one more time. Nice job.
Let's give our canopies a round of applause on both sides. Thank you, thank you. And you too, Miles.
Miles, that was fancy flying, and I don't have any flying insects, but you know what I do have? I have a grape. Let's try this out.
And the batsman is out.
I like it. All right, Miles, that was exceptional of a catch. I love it, but we got to get you back behind the scenes so we can see some more of your feathered friends. So if you wouldn't mind showing off that flying ability one more time so we can get you back there. And I tell you what, we'll up the ante. We'll give you some of those tasty treats that you like. And if you wonder what some of those favorite tasty treats are, they tend to be grapes.
I hope you got your selfie.
All right, Miles, you're wonderful out here today, my friend. But we're going to head straight through that same doorway that you always head out of. Every single day.
There you go.
Except today. All right, so we'll try that in just a second. Now, obviously, practice makes perfect, I guess. So, Miles, if you want to come back over here, I have a couple extra treats for you just for all your efforts. What do you say? Said you have my attention.
Like, show me the treats first.
There we go. Nice job, buddy. Same way right through there. Nice job, buddy.
And that was Miles from the hornbill. Wasn't he fantastic?
Excellent example of flying, that's for sure. And not all hornbills fly, some stay on the
Find
ground.
the birdie! Find the birdie! Find the birdie! Find the birdie! Find the birdie! Point!
Did we miss the birds? Not to worry, Russell. We have many more to show you.
Yeah, in fact, you're right on time.
But first, about your camera. I didn't find it. Oh yeah, I forgot to remember that I left it here. Yes, it's safe and sound. Now, about the next bird. Is it a snipe? Still looking for one of those. Here's snipe. Here's snipe. Over here, you guys.
Find the birdie! Find the birdie! Point!
Wow, he has a big beak, just like Kevin. Yeah, he does. Well, this guy is a ground hornbill from Africa.
Well, you know, ground hornbills are pretty amazing birds. You see, they get their name because they feed on the ground, and they can use those large beaks with the force of sledgehammers.
Hey, let me get my camera. Oh, okay, your camera. No,
Oh, that was the camera. I'm so sorry. Someone come out here, please. Get Cyrano away from that camera.
Oh, he is an angry birdie!
Well, he's not angry, Doug.
Russell, I am so sorry about your camera. Maybe we can fix it.
That's alright. My Wilderness Explorer camera. Safe and sound?
Are you alright, small mailman?
At least I don't have to worry about breaking it anymore.
I'll find you a new camera. My gift to you.
Really?
Wilderness Explorer's honor. Now about that bird. Well, smashing food is just one of the behaviors birds learn to survive in the wild.
Yeah, not all birds act wild. There are a lot of birds that live around people too. For instance, around here you see a lot of macaws flying through the skies. Guinea fowl, they're here. There's a lot more. There's little blackbirds, they're called grackles. And here there are chickens too.
Hello, ladies. Chickens.
Oh, chicken birdies! Oh, come here, you chicken birdies! Come here!
be
Look
right
at chicken birdies! Oh!
That boy?
I think they put more than they can handle because chickens are fast and they're pretty smart too.
Hey, so smart they can plan for the future too.
I know where this is going.
Yeah, haven't you guys ever heard of a nest egg? It's true.
Amazing. There are all kinds of birds here with special talents and others with charming personalities that make them so lovable.
Like parrots.
They grow on you.
But they do make some of the most challenging animals you would ever find in your home.
Yep, they can fight.
And scream.
And they poop everywhere.
Okay, so definitely not the greatest roommates.
Yes, but some of these birds are so smart that they can mimic what they hear from the world around them. Just like
Keto.
We have to show you this bird.
Thank you so much for bringing out Keto today, Taylor. And Keto, look at all these cool new adventures we have to meet. I think first thing is first, though. How about a greeting?
Short and sweet.
Short and sweet. If you didn't hear that one, don't feel bad. She sometimes does it a little bit louder. Can you say, hi? There we go.
Keto always makes us laugh, right, Scott?
Well, yeah, see, she learned how to mimic by listening to the family she used to live with. But along the way, she picked up some really cool animal impressions, too. Not macaw impressions, so we won't go with those yet. But I tell you what, this one is my favorite. Hopefully she didn't find this in the house she was living in. But it's a big, scary tiger. Pretty good tiger, right?
She's tiger. Can she do anything tame, Scott?
Something tamer. Okay, this one she probably did find in the house, and she probably copied this animal. It's a smaller version of the tiger, also known as a kitty cat. Can you do a kitty cat?
Oh,
yeah. All right, so she can do a kitty cat. Pretty impressive, but I tell you what, yeah, there's some awesome dance moves you got too. This actually leads into the next part. She's known for singing a song all about animals. So let's see if she wants to do that for us. You want to face everybody so you can see a little better?
Yeah, show them your good side.
They're over here though. There we go. Okay, perfect. All right, let's sing. There we go. Thank you. I know that song is actually different every single time he sings it. That's the exciting part, right? All right, but you reminded me of something else that he can do. He learned how to mimic you at these shows. So let's get some applause and let's see what happens. Yeah, I learned that too. He likes that applause. Okay, Kino, you are too cute for words, my friend. But I think it's time to say goodbye.
Everyone say bye-bye to Keto! Bye, Keto! Do you want to show those side shuffles? Oh, there we go. There we go. He's a rock star. Keto really is one in a million.
Well, yeah, it'd be tough to find another parrot just like that one. And they look like a lot of fun up here, but remember, not all parrots choose to sing.
Be my friend. Oh, please, please be my friend. I am back now from tracking chickens.
Did you have fun chasing the chickens?
Oh, yes, they were fast.
But not as fast as Kevin. She could outrun them.
Oh, really?
Oh, yes, that bird Kevin is much, much faster.
And she was bigger, like a dinosaur. But we were never scared. Not once.
Oh, no?
Oh, no, we were not scared. Not at all.
Because we're brave explorers. Nothing scares us. Right, boy?
Well, great. Then you're going to love our next fun. Come on out.
Let's see if we can't find him. Yeah, I was about to say, it's hard to misplace this guy.
Ah, a dinosaur!
What?
Scary birdie, scary birdie.
No.
Don't wait for me!
Oh, you guys, he's not scary. Hey, he's just a little bit. Well, I'm glad you all are still here. Maybe they'll come back.
In the meantime, meet our Andean condor.
We call him Ozzy.
Now, Ozzy does have one of the largest wingspans here. It's about 10 feet wide. Let's see if they'll show that off for us today. What do you say, buddy?
Yeah, no wonder us Linda thought he was a dinosaur, huh?
Yeah.
But what amazes me is that he was that big when he was only a few months old.
Well, exactly. See, that helps to make them the largest member of the vulture family, which is super important because of what they like to eat, which of course is what?
Carrion. Dead things.
So in a way, these birds, they act as nature's recyclers, keeping the world a lot cleaner of a place. Ozzy, you are adorable. And the most adorable thing about him, he has a cute little condor tribe. I use the word little lightly. You're free to move about and carry on.
Bye, Ozzy. Let us know if you see Wrestling done. Scott, I hope they'll come back.
I'm sure they will. I mean, hey, I'm like, look.
Hi, Wrestle done. Glad you're back.
I do not like the scary birdie.
There's nothing to be afraid of, Doug. Remember, a wilderness explorer is friend to all.
That's right. And all animals are friends to us. If you appreciate them, they will show you just how wonderful they are.
How about it, boy?
I am a friend to all animals, yes I am. Especially the birdies. Show me the birdies.
Okay, another one of our favorites around here is called a crowned crane. Yeah, I just spotted ours way up there. Look up top and meet Fraser. Yeah, Fraser Crane.
He is just one of the many birds here that connect us to a world of stories and adventures.
Look at that flight. Say hi, Doug.
Hi there. I like the birdies.
And they like you, Doug. Oh, the crowned crane is the national bird of Uganda, a country in Africa where they're practically royalty with their tall golden crowns. Come on up in here, Fraser. The
You know
stage
what?
is right here.
I think you just wanted to share with some of our new adventurers outside too and let them know what they're missing by you guys being in here. Pretty exciting, but don't you worry. I bet you Fraser's going to come back up here in just a second. And the thing is, these birds love using positive reinforcement, so we'll see if we can't walk Fraser back up here with all of our friends so everybody can take a closer look.
Look at that.
Hey Fraser, remember us? We work together. Sometimes. All right, let's see if we can't get Fraser up here to stage.
Can't you just imagine them flying over the plains of Africa?
It would be pretty stunning, yeah. Now these birds do have close to a 6-foot wingspan. That's what you saw when he was taking flight. Let's see if we can't get him straight up here to stage. And then I think I have a good idea, but I want to save that so we have him all the way up here. What do you say, buddy? Look at those wings. Hey, Russell or Doug, do either of you want to try to feed Fraser?
I do.
Okay, come on down. I have some of his favorite treats in the bowl here. And I'm going to give that over to you. We're going to see if we can't make a brand new friend.
Oh, he really goes gaga for birdseed. My hair sticks up like that, my mom makes me brush it.
That's really funny, Russell, but that's not hair on top of his head. You see, those are feathers. The top of this bird's crown, and even his beautiful eyelashes are feathers too. And the really good thing is, they stick up straight towards the sky because they're shaped like corkscrews. It helps them to blend in to the tall grasses of Africa. Fraser, great having you here, my friend. And that was Fraser Crane.
Oh, that was a very friendly bird.
Well, you know, next we actually have my favorite bird, and quite possibly my favorite animal of all time to see. Wait for it because it's worth it.
Oh, look, Scott.
The symbol of pride of the United States of America, the bald eagle. Thank you. Everyone meet Hope.
A bald birdie?
Well, Doug, bald eagles aren't actually bald.
My cousins in the West have told me so much about these birds. She is so majestic.
Oh yeah, and inspiring. Not too long ago, the bald eagle was placed on the endangered species list. Then through conservation efforts, all of us played a part helping their populations recover. Well, I am happy to say, the bald eagle is no longer an endangered species.
Really make a difference.
That is right, Russell. If we all make a conscious effort to protect this planet and all the creatures we share with it, we can all make a huge difference.
Thank you, Hope. And now, I would like to introduce my favorite feathered friend, the peacock. In ancient mythology from India, a story is told that once the tail feathers of Moor Peach were dull. But in gratitude for the more protection of the people, the peacock was given his beautiful iridescent feathers. Now, during molting season, peacocks lose their feathers, but they will come back beautiful and strong. So now, as the national bird of India, the peacock is the symbol of pride, protection, benevolence, joy, and humility. That's why I'm delighted to share this beautiful creature with all of you. I call him Nabil, which is a very noble name. And not only is peacock Moor in Hindi, but Moor is also the name of my Wilderness Explorers Lodge.
What a beautiful birdie. A very, very beautiful birdie.
Wow, this has been a great bird adventure.
Well, Russell, did you know there are thousands and thousands of bird species all over the world? And we don't even have to go that far to find them either. See, birds can be found in our own backyards or even local parks back home.
You know, whether it's a cabin bird, an eagle, an owl, or even a peacock, you'll discover birds and other animals with incredible stories. And discovering their stories is just the beginning of your adventure. Smart Russell! For you.
Now go, explore. Wow, a new camera. Thanks.
Hey, Russell, look behind you. That's a Toko toucan.
That's a cool bird.
Hi, Sunny.
Oh, look, this is a violet Tarako back here, too.
Heads up, you've got a new friend, Russell!
They like me. They really like me.
Aww.
What about you, Doug?
Two can run around like birdies.
Look who's flying like a bird now!
Hey, adventure is out there.
Oh, so many birdies. I love them all.
Thanks for showing us so many birds.
Our pleasure.
We're glad you got to meet all of our feathered friends here today.
Like Doug and Russell, we can have our own adventure any day. Nature and all of its wonderful creatures are all around. All we have to do is look up. Now let's go and have a wonderful next adventure. Yeah. And
Oh, chicken birdies again. Oh, I love chicken birdies. Come here. Oh, come here. Be my friend. Be my friend. Oh, I love chicken birdies. Oh, I love them.
Must be explored. That's right. Oh yeah. Bye.
Bye, Russell, Doug. And to all of you, namaste. Goodbye.
Thank you for joining us for Up, a great bird adventure. Now please, gather all of your belongings, take small explorers by the hand as you proceed to the exit. For your safety, please do not walk across the benches. We hope you have a wonderful adventure today in Disney's Animal Kingdom.
Gracias por acompañarnos durante A Great Bird Adventure. Ahora, por favor, recojan todas sus pertenencias. Tomen de la mano a sus pequeños exploradores mientras avanzan.